Hello dear students, welcome back. It's Naila, from the Learners of Journey. So guys, this lesson will be about your house, the types of your furniture, or the window, sofa, cabin, and something else. Let's start for learning them. Guys, this is your first word. Window. Window means pencere. 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 O penceredir. That's the window. O penceredir. That's the window. O penceredir. Second word, wall. Wall. Wall means in Azerbaijani divar. 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 Yes, divar. For example, that's the wall. You say o divardır. O divardır. Yeah, this one. That's the wall. That's the wall. O divardır. O divardır. Guys, another word. Floor. Floor means döşeme. 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 That's the floor. O döşemedir. O döşemedir. Döşemedir. Yes. Next word. Stairs. Stairs. You'll say pilleçen. 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 Great. Next one. Garden. Garden. Bağ. 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 Yes, bağ. Garden. For example, my garden, you say benim bağım. Benim bağım. Next word, yard. Yard. It is hayat. Hayat. For example, my yard, you say benim hayatim. Benim hayatim. Next word, fancy. Fancy. It is hasar. 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 Yes, hasar. For example, that's fancy. You say, o hasardır. O hasardır. And the last word is garage. Garage. It is garage. 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 Yes, well done. It's garage. Thank you so much, guys. These are all the words for today's lesson. I'm wishing you great chance for learning them. Thank you so much. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.